beautiful friends. Welcome back to Sister to Me.
Today we are doing a squishy 3-marker challenge.
Okay, let's get our colors.
Isabel, since you are younger, you can go first.
Thank you, that's really kind of you. I want blue, pink, and purple, my favorite colors.
Okay, my turn. I want red,
Ooh,
purple,
ooh,
and blue.
ooh. You took my two colors, which is my favorite. Okay,
Okay, let's get started.
turn on our timer.
We have 3 minutes. Okay,
Okay,
let's start.
Shake it a little bit. Color. Oh, it works well. Shake. Kevin biting.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, looks like
I'm not even done.
Me neither. I didn't get to do the bottom though.
I didn't get
Okay.
Here's the final review. Mine's
So,
not even good.
so mine has these eyes.
How are you so fast? Like, I'm not even done.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
And get a huge thumbs up.
Comment down below whose squishy is the best.
Mine's not the best. I don't like mine. It's like.
And remember, be kind to others.
And make new friends.
Bye.
Bye.